I wanted to make some short form content videos, but I'm tired. Yeah, but I'm tired, so I just don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. But I just finished editing this video. It seemed like it took a long time for me to edit it. I'm trying to think of what time I really started. Actually, I think it took me almost 2 hours. But I did stop a few times. I stopped a couple times. One time to cook something for my nephew, and then another time to do some laundry. So I stopped a couple times. I guess that's not terrible. I guess. Anyway, so I'm exporting this video now. I think I'm going to go ahead and make the thumbnail. I'm tired. I'm tired, but it's because I got home at like 1. I got home at like 1 a.m. and then I had to get up this morning to take my daughter to school, so I didn't get like a full night's sleep. But yeah, that's mom life for you. So I wanted to film short form content to like show what I got from Black Romance Book Fest. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think what I'm gonna do is just film some shorts. So let me show you what I have though. I got a bunch. First of all, the number of bookmarks. I probably should count them because it's insane, the number of bookmarks that I got. But like, this one is from Miyasha. I think it's Miyasha is how you say her name. Miyasha Reads. This one is from Brit and her books. But then I also got like stickers, and then I got these like QR codes. So what I want to do, the bookmarks, obviously I'm just gonna save them. I do have like a little bookmark container, but the other things I'm gonna like, look at this. This is like, that's a business card, but like bookmark. I freaking love it actually. I love the fact that I have all these bookmarks now. Oh, this one's really cute. Bookmark. This is, oh, a QR code for the paperback, a book, paperback and ebook. But so what I'm gonna do with like these things, this is fan art. It's so cute. It's so cute. I really like it. Anyway, I'm going to put these in my journal, in my bullet journal. I'm gonna start like a little, basically junk journaling situation. Oh, look at this. This is from Lore of the Tides. Lore of the Tides. This was from Lore of the Tides, and this is from the second one. I forget the name of it, but anyway. Oh shoot, that means I have to pick a side. Oh, they're doing that on purpose. Love triangle. Anyway, I'm gonna put that stuff into my journal. So I think I would start that tonight. Sorting through that stuff. I have literally on like 5 times while I was sitting here. I'm gonna start that tonight, putting that stuff in there. I think I need some glue, like paper glue. My mom might have some actually. Like I like to use the roller glue or whatever. I'll ask her if she has some, but I wanted to do something like towards my bookish stuff. And then I'm going to film like a little series on my book talk. Oh my god, I'm yawning, eyes are watery, can't finish a sentence. I'm gonna film a little series on my book talk of me like reading an hour every day after work. So today I didn't work, but I'm gonna show like me reading an hour because I want to read an hour every day basically. So at least an hour every day. At least. I could read some more, but I want to read at least for an hour every day because I want to get through Oathbound so bad. and I have not gotten through it. So yeah, I'm going to make this thumbnail, do the SEO, go ahead and post it, and then probably go downstairs and start cooking. I need to cook dinner, and then go from there. I'm currently not listening to an audiobook, but I probably need to get one to start listening to. I probably need to get one to start listening to. But yeah, I just haven't been listening to one lately. But I want to get back into listening to audiobooks more consistently, and so I just need to pick one, really, probably. I don't like the font. Look at it. It's huge. I'm not a fan. I'm also really not a fan of paperbacks. Yeah. I'm just not a fan of paperbacks. I like, if it's gonna be a paperback, I'm gonna get it digitally, because I'd rather have me a good hardback. So yeah. Oh, and then it's beautiful. It's wonderful. I got these cute stickers. I think I'm gonna redo my Kindle back, like the back of my Kindle, with these stickers. These beautiful melanated women on them. I think I'm gonna do that. Maybe tonight. But like the back of my Kindle right now is, this is actually the first one that I did. Oh, and I got what was on the pop socket? I think it was Black Women's Focus on the pop socket. Oh no, it says I Love Black Romance on the pop socket. So I want to do some crafting. Like I said, I think I want to change the back side of my Kindle, put some stuff into my journal. So I want to do that tonight, but I still have a couple things I have to get done. So it's 6 now, 6:23. So I'm going to fold clothes. I was going to try and edit another video tonight. but I don't think I'm going to get it done because I want to craft, and actually, I also want to read. So, yeah, I'm going to do the laundry right now. I have to fold some clothes. I think I said that already. And then I'm going to do the crafting, and then I'm going to do the reading. So, while I fold the clothes, I'm going to go ahead and like put my gym bag together for tomorrow. So that'll be all set. And then I just want to get to like the collection of bookmarks that I have all the little, grab them all. I guess I have them. But like, all the bookmarks that I have, and then some of them have like, like QR codes on them. So I want to like scan the QR codes and like make sure I'm following the people on social media and stuff like that, and then do a little bit of crafting that way. So let me get to the laundry. So I'm going to do some crafting. The main thing I want to do is the back of my Kindle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay that out first, do that, and listen to some stuff. I also need to resize these. I made these book covers to go in my book, and they're huge. So I might still use them. I think I will still use them, honestly, and still put them in here. And then I'm just going to resize them for the future, make them a little bit smaller. But that's what I want to do there. And then I'm going to separate these things out, my bookmarks from like the stuff that I'm going to put in the journal. So for example, this is the Green Sisters from Christina Forrest's book. So Iris, Violet, and Lily. So I'm going to put that in my book. And then these are Lauren Lacey's. These are free ebook QR codes. So I'm going to put that in my book. And then, I got some more stickers to go on there. I'm going to put this in the book. Put this in the book. I don't know about this. I don't know about this either, but I feel like I want to keep that. Definitely this in the book. This art. Love the art. I'm missing some art. I'm missing some art. I don't know where it is though, because I'm pretty sure I took everything out. I had an art piece from Annie Davenport. I don't know what to do with it though. So anyway, I'm gonna put my bookmarks away. I literally have my bookmarks in like a little cup up there on my shelf. So I'm gonna put them there, and then everything else, yeah, I'm gonna use for inside my notebook.